Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm host Martin, and this is episode 496. Bitcoin, Cardano, and alt. That's the name. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, you hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And we keep on chatting about us. Once the stream is done, join us on Discord. Link is in the description, guys. On that note, people saying what up? Soka. Who's in here house, man? Let's see. Someone said CHR. Let me write that down. CHR real quick. Ticker, yes. Hi, bring facts in the house. The LB says first. Let's go. All right. Been going for a while, but okay, Steve. In fact, Sophia, thank you guys for being here, man.
What's up?
Craig. The Fort Horseman. Joe Gross 420. Saludos de Las Vegas. Oh, saludos de Las Vegas. Awesome. Yes, I was late because of, where is it gonna pop up? Right here, I guess? Maybe. Not sure. I can't figure it out. It's like reverse camera, so. Yeah, maybe right there. Right there, that's why I was late. That. Not setting it up. Putting it and setting up a camera that's facing it, then cropping the camera. It's actually mounted on a small shelf that I had to build out of 2 pieces of wood. So. Grab 2 of these things. Like that. Small makeshift shelf. Small makeshift shelf. And put that on the wall. And then that is where that is sitting on. And yeah, had to drill the wall, the wood, pre-drill the wood, then program that little thing, put the camera, make sure it was aligned and, you know, centered, and then crop it in, then put in the corner. Yeah, it took me a little bit longer than I was expecting. Yeah, that's recorded from my other camera, my old camera. I repurposed it, so yeah, it's recorded from a camera, man. It's actually a camera. I can turn it on and off. See, interesting. Yeah, it only has 10 coins. RU top left, awesome, dude. It has only 10 coins that scroll through. I'm noticing that at first it hits too bright by the light, and then you like adjust. I'm gonna try to mess around with the camera settings to where it's always reading it properly, but yo, that is there, man. That is there. It only has 10 coins scrolling through. Nate, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. Yeah, that's from another camera. All good though, right? All good. On that note, yeah. The ticker that came in today had to install it. That's why I was late. I only put 10 coins up there. I can't remember which 10 coins I placed, but there's 10 coins, man. Thank you, Jake, for being here, man. And I'm still trying to figure out where to put it on the main screen. It is in the main screen. That, this little thing here, came from cryptocoindisplay.com. Their link is on the description, and there's also a code, State of Crypto. Yeah, State of Crypto without D. Just State of Crypto, 10% off. That is awesome. Is that just a picture of it? No, it is scrolling through, man. It's a camera. It's pointed at it. And it's cropped, so it's just showing that small thing. It took me a while because I had it back here on the shelf, but it was too blurry. I changed the lenses in the camera. It was still too blurry to be read. It looked really nice, but it was just like a blurry nothingness just scrolling through. But yeah, that works. Yeah, it's the other camera is pointing at it, and it's just basically scrolling through it. Yeah, it's not in the small window. I didn't put it there. I put it up here in the corner. Usually where we have our list, so there's no list tonight. Gotta figure out where I'm gonna put the list, where I'm gonna adjust it, or where I'm gonna adjust this to, basically. So I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this element, right? Where this ticker is. Yeah. Yeah, it's not tiny. I didn't leave it up here, man. It was gonna be too small, or it's gonna be covering my face. I can still play around with it. I was trying to place it somewhere on here. I didn't like it. It didn't make it look clean, so I guess somewhere on here is gonna be where it's gonna end up being at. So, Gavin says, hurts my eyes a bit. I'm sorry, Gavin. You can still work your live cam from TV. At least, yeah. Yeah, I could probably dim it down a little bit more. I'm not sure. I gotta check it out. I think I have it in the. It only has 3 settings, 0, 1, and 2. So I gotta check out which one I had it on. If I need to like turn it off and reset it, I'm not gonna do it right now. It took me a while to get it up and running. So yeah. So when I got in this afternoon, some guy in Florida. Yeah, they're handmade, dude. They're 3D printed and hand assembled, and he does a really good job. Is there a reason to have it? Yeah, I gotta promote it. I like it. I want it to be showing, and it just has 10 cryptos rolling through it. And I think I'm on auction spaces there. You guys can put the coin of your liking somehow. We'll determine how. Yeah, you'll have to choose a coin for 2 weeks. That's gonna be up there every 2 weeks or something. Cover ticker in the bottom and replace that one. Well, the ticker in the bottom. Can you guys even read the ticker in the bottom, or is it too blurry? Because if it's too blurry and you cannot see what's going on there, yeah, I could probably try and put that there, man. It's not gonna cover the whole ticker, but there's gonna be like 2 tickers there. I'm not sure if that looks really good or not. But again, someone's saying Kraken 6,960 Bitcoin inflow. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure if it looks good down there. I mean, it's like 2 different tickers. If you can't read like one of them has more. The other one has, just a few tickers there. I'm not sure, man. Still trying to figure it out, right? I think I have one or the other. Yeah, yeah, I can do that. I guess I can do that. Yeah, I mean, I was trying to figure out how to do it, how I was going to set this up, so. Where's that ticker? There it is. Turn off that ticker. There we go, man. That is it. That's all. That is all there is to it, man. Hope that works. It's gonna be there. It's gonna have 10 coins. It's not gonna have anything else. So, if you guys want to see the price of the coin of your liking, scroll through there. We're gonna do something with that. Robert, thank you very much for that, man. Again, sorry for not starting early. I was busy with this. Thank you, Gavin, for the input, man. And thank you, everyone that's helping me fix this, because I just basically put it in and just started run with the stream, right? So every time I hear up, hit the like. Will Matic be able to be traded on Coinbase? I'm not sure, man. Whenever Coinbase lists, I guess. I'm not sure. I haven't been following Matic's listings. Did they get listed already, maybe? Not sure. American Infidel, I haven't seen you in a while. Thanks for being here, man.
What's up?
Kraken is subbing bad. Yeah. Right. Let's roll. Let's start getting through the stream. Let's start looking at things. Anyways, what is happening with market cap? Nothing bearish. High to low, high to low, high to low. Bought at 67. That's it. Again, indecision day. Today it looks like we're also having an indecision day so far. Market cap at $1.68 trillion. Bitcoin still $8 trillion asset, sitting at $1.04 billion. No, sorry, $1 trillion. $1.04 trillion. Jesus. What's wrong with me? High to low, high to low, high to low. Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance at 62.01. Again, not too bad, right? Pumped up a little bit, still getting a little bit more, but you know, Bitcoin probably should be losing dominance if you want the market to be better. Where's Bitcoin at? Bitcoin futures at 56,055. And the price of the corn, price of Bitcoin at 55,143. That is it. That is it, dude. American Infidel, thank you for the awesome donation.
Amazon lingerie photo reviews equals out of control.
Yo, thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Oh, legendary, man. There it is.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it. On the daily, Bitcoin still cool, still holding support at 55,406. Trying to hold on to it, man. Trying to hold on to it, right? Let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, bearish divergence. We're live here. We called it. We said, yo, bearish divergence. We did move down a little bit. Again, holding support, not doing too bad. Indecision happening on this 4-hour candle. Nothing else here, right? I'm worried about a double top forming. One top, two tops. On the daily, it's easier to see it and discern this. So here one, and then here two. We still not quite made this one shoulder, but it is there, and we have other targets for Bitcoin to the upside, right? We know because we've talked about them. Look at this on this chart. Have a Bitcoin target at 65,000, right? That is where a move of this double bottom gets us to, right? A target move. Let me fix this because it's not looking too good, but here we go. So this double bottom, right? This double bottom gets us target up here, 65,633. So that's one of the targets for Bitcoin, right? Another target for Bitcoin. If you remember, we broke out of a pattern and we're waiting to get a hit. This pattern, right? This flag formation that we had here, we broke it. We're still waiting on a hit of that pull. I don't believe this pattern, we can say it's done, right? It didn't hit. That's fine. We were tracing. We're going to recover. But I would not be, I mean, we're definitely going to go through that area, but I wouldn't be saying that we're completing the pattern because we didn't get on the new pull that we made. So, that new bull pull, not there, right? What else is happening with the corn, man? The corn and its children. Fibs, right? On this chart, we have something. We have our complex head and shoulders. Right, fraction to the upside, a measure move off the head to the neckline gets us to 60,422. But the actual pattern move should be hitting 73,000. So those are the targets for Bitcoin right now to the upside. If we continue on the bullish trend right now, again, taking a breather, doing okay. Not worried about it. Not worried about Bitcoin yet. Again, floating here. Middle of nowhere, facing indecision. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. In the bearish divergence that we're looking at, nothing else, bought at 66.34. And on the 1-hour chart, right, on the 1-hour chart, we have bearish divergence, fraction to downside. And on that, we are moving down. Move down slightly, found support, trying to get above the 20, failing right now. And things that I've been looking at, right? Things that we've been talking about. Like, there we go. It's fixed itself. For some reason, sometimes when I zoom in and out, they just lose their targets, I guess. So this support line, we haven't broken, right? We have not broken it yet, right? So look at another support line. Where else can we find support here on Bitcoin? On the bit of the corn here, man, right? Look at this. Look at this. I wasn't even targeting up here. I was targeting this hit here and this hit here where we start. So 1, 2, then we wick support here, and that is pretty good. We could try to go for another run another run up here on Bitcoin. That wouldn't be necessarily bad. Maybe get up to a 58,000 level. And we'll see how it goes from there, right? So Bitcoin could be looking for another move to the upside. Maybe retest its all-time high. Come down here, find support again. We're going to have double support if we go down right now, though. We're going to have support at 55,406, and that support line I just drew. I'm going to make it blue so we can keep on tracking it. Again, there's stuff that wasn't here before, like yesterday, or when we didn't do it yesterday, is because we did it today throughout the day stream, right? So it is nice, man. Gonna be interesting for Bitcoin. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting for Bitcoin, man. Neutral 53.18. It's going down short term, looks bearish. Yeah, maybe. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily, man. Again, I put targets for Bitcoin and I explained percentages, how we could get there, failure rates, etc. Right? So, high to low, low to high, and high to low. Some hidden bearish divergence. Action downside, trying to recover right now. 1,800, not too bad for Ethereum. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence, moving down, trying to find support. Bounce failed to get higher in the previous high, again moving down. Finding support at that 20 moving average. But again, that bearish divergence moving Ethereum down. Neutral at 56.54, and right now we're not doing a lot here. Low, high, or negative, less negative, low, high, right? So not a lot there. We still have yet to hit this pattern completion here on Ethereum's head and shoulders. This major head and shoulders, this minor head and shoulders were already completed. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. This minor head and shoulders is the one we already hit. So target hit. Waiting for the other one to happen. We had, right, bearish divergence strong, breaking down. Right now we're trying to find this hidden divergence. If we extend this, we're breaking that support. So not looking too good for Ethereum right now. We're in a short-term bear trend, right? We're broken a bullish support. So that is it. Low. Are we going lower, man? Slightly lower. Ooh, I like this one. We're gonna have strong bullish divergence. And from here to here, right? We don't have anything against the RSI, and it is neutral at 46.13. And that's it. Let's go to Binance. So I'm gonna get the list to scroll through the top again, I guess. I just don't have it open right now. One second, guys. I'm trying to get this list open. So we can look at it, man. So we can look at it. That list up and running. Here we go, man. There is the list. It's gonna show up in a second. There it is. Not sure if it's the updated one yet. I just updated it. It might not be the updated one though. Jake, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. Anyways, that is for that, man. Let's keep rolling. Binance on the daily. Let's get there, man. High to low, high to low, high to low. Nothing. Bought at 63.81. Really not doing anything much. Again, get above that 236 2 days ago, yesterday, in decision today. Again, not really moving a lot. 4 hour flagging, right? It's all good. Nothing here happening really. Bought at 63.39. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. High to low, low to high. Positive, negative, high to low. Negative. Less negative, we're coming lower. Is that some strong bullish divergence that I'm smelling here? It is. Here we are. So we have this strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. We did try to rally, hit that 20, rejected, trying to get above that 20 again because we felt to get lower than the previous low. Thus, we're trying to continue with the bullishness. But again, to me, it just looks like we're making a triangle formation, right? Some kind of pattern here. Flagging of sorts. Not going to be the prettiest triangle, but something like this, right? That's all I see here when I look at Binance. It's just some tightening in a range. Making a triangle. That's it. Duran, sure.
Thanks for what you do.
Awesome, dude. Thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary doesn't matter. Thank you very much, dude. Oh, dude. Thirsty, man. Anyways, that's it for Binance. Now, let's go. Let's go do Litecoin. Legendary, I know, it is legendary, man. Let's get here in the daily. Again, hidden bullish, pumping that high low. Positive, less positive, high to low, neutral at 56.51. Again, not really doing much since yesterday. Bearish divergence, move down, hit that 20. Popping up. Are we getting to the same high or slightly higher? Interesting. Slightly higher, but we could even say sideways motion. Surprise difference is nothing. Going high to low, and then high to low, creating bearish divergence. Medium bearish divergence. It is still bearish divergence nonetheless, so action to downside. And down. Awesome, dude. Low, high, and negative. Nothing here. Neutral 56.50. That's it. Last thing we have is that medium bearish moving us down, getting us very close to that 20. Looks like we might try to pop. Let's go to RSR, man. The RSR, dude. RSR is not doing that great. Or at least it was not doing that great earlier. RSR at 6.8. It was at 7 when I was looking at it. Oh no. How the mighty have fallen. What is happening with this, man? Yeah. Set a crypto for 10% off LED displays on Crypto Coin display. I already said that at the beginning, but you guys can go and check that out, right? Again, bearish divergence, action to the downside, pattern completion of these head and shoulders. Great. Neutral at 59.27. That is it for this, man. Let's go to the 4 hour. So, 4 hour bearish divergence, moving down at that. Awesome. Are we doing something bullish? Please be doing something bullish. Hit bullish. That's good enough for now. Negative, more negative. Yes, it's there. Oh, negative momentum. Low to high, man. Low to high. Are we going lower here also? Lower than here, though. That's gonna be the question. That's gonna be the question, man. 46.20 and 46.73, slightly higher. So no. Just against the MACD, bearish divergence hidden. Sorry, not hidden. Bullish divergence hidden. Potential action to the upside. Let's see if we get that stagnation. At least it happened, right? That'll be one of the moves. Stagnation. Nice. Let's do let's do DVT. DVT, man. Where it at? Where it be? 0.77. Ooh, not too good. Let's get here. That wall that was here up higher, no longer there, right? That wall's gone. Someone put a wall here, a small wall at 14, but not, hopefully, can get eaten up really quickly. And then we can go up again. Yes, the drinking game. Right? Awesome, dude. Let's get some indicators out here. Let's get the MACD and the RSI. Make this green and 8 columns. Should be easier to see. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still, nothing bullish. So recovering a bit, high to low, high to low, and then high to low. So nothing here. Neutral 53.14. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Low to high, high to low, right? Bearish divergence moving down on that. Low, lower, negative, less negative. All right, some strong bullish divergence being built here on the Vault 4-hour. Awesome. And with that, positive refraction to the upside. Getting our first green candle. We might get continuation to the upside again. Probably eat through that 14 sat place, hopefully. And let's get on the daily and figure out what we have here, man. Andrew, what's up? Thanks for being here.
What's up?
Had the bearish divergence, right? High, higher, high to low, high to low. Low to high, negative, more negative, and then low, lower. Some hidden bullish. Again, possibility for stagnation, maybe an action to the upside. Looks like we're going for a little bit of the action to the upside right now. So, not looking too bad for a DVT right now. Not too bad, man. Again, that hidden bullish still in play. Let's go and check out something else, man. What is happening with DVT? What happened to the moon? I can't seem to get my fat feet off the ground. Yeah, volume is picking up on other places, right? I think D sent me something, but I can't remember if I have it here. So this one? I think it might be this one. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see this properly here on the screen, but where's the volume? Let's get on the daily. Yeah. You guys can't see it. Can't see it. I'm gonna have to try to fix that for tomorrow's stream. But we'll see, man, right? Let's go to Loom for our buddy Flags who requested this yard. The Loom to the dollar. Loom, where are you? Here are 14 cents. On daily, hidden bullish, pumping that high to low, positive, high to low. Nothing here that is bearish, it's fine. Floating between the 36 and the 100%. Looks like yesterday we did find support at that 20 and bounce. And again, seeing some indecision, right? Not spinning top, but some indecision. So, for our chart, we have divergence, right? Again, action to downside, bearish divergence. So we move down on that. And, let's see. Nothing bullish yet. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Had this triangle formation. Oh, we ended up breaking it to the downside. Oh no. We're live here and we broke it to the downside. Oh no. The triangle formation is broken. Where are we gonna go? Well, not with fiat because we have some bullish divergence here. On the 1 hour chart, right? Negative, less negative as we're coming in from low to a lower low, right? With that, we have some of that strong bullish divergence. What's up?
Do you think BTC coin be going down to 47,000 again, or would it go up because I over $600 invest in BTC since here go up to $1 trillion?
Wow. First of all, legendary, man. Thank you very much. That is awesome. And I'm not sure I got the question, Cody. Do you think Bitcoin will be going down to 47,000 again, or will it go up because you over $600 invest in Bitcoin since here go up to $1 trillion? What? Sorry, man. I'm not getting it. Legendary sip scotch. Yeah, some scotch would be good right now, actually. I don't get it, man. Here you go. I'll give you Seamus drinking, dude. I think you mean like market cap for Bitcoin's over 1 trillion. Yeah. Market cap's over 1 trillion. Can it go down to 47,000 again? I do believe we have support, and I'm not sure we're gonna, like right now, I do believe we're gonna go out to the upside, not so much to the downside right now. At least on what we have. The double top hasn't yet formed, so we haven't even confirmed having a double top. And I think that's the only thing, the other thing we got into $600, man. I don't get that part, Cody. Sorry about that, man. But what I did get is that 47,000, we're going to go there again. Right now, short term, I don't think so right now. I do believe we're going to try to hold on to the level that we're at. Maybe try to pump even higher. And the $1 trillion market cap is the only thing I have. But the rest, I'm yeah. Thanks, man. Anyways, we had this divergence bullish. Action to the upside again. This is a triangle pattern, and I changed it to blue. No, it shows something else. No, Jeffrey, buy high, sell low. You're doing it wrong. Ask Gavin, he'll tell you that. Gavin says, buy high, sell low. It's the way he makes his money. Let's go. Let's go to GRT. The graph. Yeah, again, Thank you very much for that, man. I think that's what we determined. I cannot, yeah, maybe. Yeah, market cap's at $1 trillion. Let's go to the graph. Uni? Sure, man. You're long in Paustinite, not Whiskers? Interesting. High to low, high to low, high to low. Again, hidden bullish, pumping that, rejecting it through 36, opening there and moving down right now. So there's not a lot happening with the graph. Again, just consolidation still happening. We had the bearish divergence. We talked about that. Awesome. We were here probably last night. And look at that. Just sideways motion. So all good. Not a lot happening. Neutral 55.78. Again, not a lot we can call here, right? Low, higher, high, and then high, and then high. Negative, less negative, less negative. Low to high. So nothing here that is bullish. Just that strong bearish that is failing to play out. And we're consolidating here into a triangle pattern that we might be able to see better on the 1 hour chart. I never looked at that, Adrian. Farhad, what's up? He just added to crypto, that's it. Anyways, bearish divergence, moving down, hidden bullish, trying to pump. High to low, and then high to low. Nothing bearish. Found to get higher than the previous high, given continuation to downwards motion, but, you know, some of this bullishness still in play. And like I said, just making a larger triangle here. If you must look at the larger triangle. Oh, it's not letting me draw it. Here we go. Something like that. And then something like that, right? Something like that. Something. A little something like that. Symmetrical triangle. That's it for the graph. Nothing else happening here. Neutral 49.30. Let's go like. How's it going? It's going, dude. It's going good, man. Thank you for being here, man. Thank you for asking. Hunter. Amay says he wants Hiker to come back. Yeah, why not, dude? If you like what we do, hit like the button, sub, join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining the stream. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and commenting. What location are you based? Mexico City. Did I wrote this wrong? You guys did type like, right? Jeeves. Trying to see what you guys request. I think it was like. Yeah. Right. I'm not sure why I'm not finding it. So weird. Jolly fellow, thank you very much for being here, man.
What's up?
Jeez, man. With an X. All right, I can do that. Right, awesome. Look, someone here wrote LYKE, and also here LYKE twice. So it's with an X. That's fine. It's all good. We'll go with the X. Likes. Awesome. Let's do this. Likes. I'll even correct it here. Dang, it doesn't matter. You got it wrong. CHR, Ada, Ren. Uni. Oh, put me on Front Street. We don't hide data here. I was gonna likes. Going higher, higher, and higher. Nothing here that is bearish. We're not even making a valid retrace. Where are we gonna go? No one knows. No one knows. I'm not even sure I can get any fibs, dude, to the upside. Look at this. It's tiny. It already broke everything. Oh, man. Low to high. Yeah, we can go with this and say, look, we wake the retrace. Wake the retrace. We wake the retrace.
Here's
Wicked
5 for
the
putting
retrace.
me on Front Street.
Awesome. Thank you very much for that. I should do it more often.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. Anyways, moving down. Bought at 74.15. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart. Low to high. Low to high. Low to high. Nothing bearish. We're down on that. Some hidden bullish. Some hidden bullish. That's what we have here, man, on the 4-hour chart. I tell you. Hidden bullish. Legendary ship scotch again. Awesome. Neutral 53.62. That's it. Again, hidden bullish. Moving up. Rejecting a 20. Stagnating. Not a lot forming here, right? Trying to see if there's anything happening. Not seeing anything, any kind of formation right now. Can't see? Sure, bro. Search Capital, what up? Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Low to the high. To the highest highs. And lowest lows. There we go. Hello, one. Right on. Bearish divergence. Action to downside. We're creating some bullishness. Some bullishness, man. It is here. You traded your Litecoin for Uni. My thoughts? I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure why you did that. So, what was your play? Give me more information. Head low, head low, head low. Neutral at 50.22. Again, you need to give me more information, man. Like, why did you trade it? Do you see potential on Uni against Litecoin? Do you believe Uni is going to rise more than Litecoin? What's your, like, reasoning behind having that trade, right? Again, not a lot. Some strong bullish, pumped, great. Not even bearish right now. Not finding anything with likes, dude. All right. Again, we might, and I would even have to measure, and it's gonna be very loose right now, but it's about a 3.5%. So I was trying to look for head and shoulders, maybe. That's like the only thing I can see potentially developing here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Neckline would be here. We're not breaking it yet. We wicked it. Could work. We're gonna go with this right now. Inverse head and shoulders. Let's measure. Up on breaking. Move to $22 right now. $19.23. Again, this head and shoulders. like this, I guess, right? We need to break that confirmation, confirming above it for us to start retracing. So we'll see when we cross where we're at again. That's it for likes. That's the only thing I can find. Let's go to CHR. Yeah, I guess. I guess they're okay. Yeah, good. I like. Yeah, you can get some discount on any kind of lighting like that. That's a 20-inch one, actually. It's pretty good. Read an article saying that projection for Bitcoin will go to $1 trillion. Oh, dude, maybe on market, maybe a $1 trillion market cap. Yeah, it's up there on a market cap, right? We're $1 trillion per Bitcoin. I'm not sure, man. Seems really. Look, let's first get to the 100,000s. Then let's get to the millions. Then let's aim for the 100 millions. And then let's aim for like $1 billion, and then let's start talking about trillions, right? That is too crazy, man. No, I've never been to a Raven underpass. Market cap, right? 1 trillion market cap. The shark coin. What is happening with it, man? What's its history? Doesn't have a lot of history. Awesome. So I'm gonna try something real quick. I don't think I'm gonna be outside of all these targets, but me to here, we are hitting all extensions of the fibs. Interesting. We're actually even wicking. We're hitting that 4618 at support. Awesome. It has become a support, and now we're trying to go up higher. I mean, we need to get some pullback for me to be able to target anything else to the upside here with fibs. So go extremely high, highly overbought at 92.93. Let's go to the 4-hour. Kato, you know what's up.
What's up?
Yes, market cap, not 1 trillion per coin. Yes, you're correct. Coming up higher and then high to low. Read here and from here to here. So again, with that, some bearish divergence. Action on the downside. Might move down. Look at that. Holding that support very well. And pumping. Great. We're still moving up. Again, there's some bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside. We're overbought at 84.51, but no. Right now, it doesn't look like we want to go down. It looks like we still want to go higher, maybe, for a couple more candles. So let's see. On the 1-hour chart. Ooh, first of all, this thing should go back to its own time scale. 4-hour. Get to the 4-hour, you. Yeah, Discord is pinned at the top. Imagine all the trillionaires in the world buying Lambos like crazy. Yeah. Imagine Bitcoin goes to $1 trillion and you have 1 Bitcoin, all of a sudden you're a trillionaire. But that means money's probably worth like less than toilet paper by then, right? Because that means there has to be so much inflation that monetary system has to be basically worthless. So that'll be insane. Yes, 1 Bitcoin, $1 trillion. Interesting. Anyways, strong bearish divergence, action to downside. That's it for CHR. Again, not really finding anything else here as a pattern. That's gonna be it for this. Again, we're just now climbing. We're in an upsloping channel. If you miss this train, you're gonna try to catch a bullet. Probably get wrecked. square of toilet paper to the dollar, right? Jack says people need help finding a like button. Well, if you need help finding a like button, go hit it. Hit the like button on the sub. Find it first. And then hit it. Let's go, Ada. $88. $1.13, man. And then from here to here. Again, some strong bullish divergence happening here in ADA. Potential for action to the upside. Sitting at $1.13, so not really doing too much. What? Christopher, I didn't get that. Sorry. Hey man, you think we'll get one more dip to the downside before we go to the moon? Not sure. The Bassman, Jeff. I think we're gonna try to hold support. Stop impressing myself on viewers? I'm not becoming? Sorry, man. I didn't get that, dude. Sorry. Alright, Casey, what's up, man? Thanks for being here. Jake says, flat face, so. Good evening. How's it going, man? Thanks for being here.
What's up?
55K Bitcoin today. 1 trillion cap. 1 trillion Bitcoin. Equals 5 quadrillion cap. What? Yeah. 1 trillion yen. All right. I don't get it. Oh, there it is. The clarification. Not me. It's like an organization waiting people to like. All right, awesome, dude. Whatever. I was looking at the comment. I was like, what? Interesting. People like they'll hit the button. Yeah. You still gotta remind them though. Some people watch and they think they liked and then they just don't hit the button. That's what all YouTubers say. Smash the like button for the algorithm. All right. Anyways, Cardano. Some bullishness trying to pop. That's it. Neutral at 40.50. Let's go to daily. We're gonna have a great whole bunch of nothingness. Breaking below that 100. And again, back on this track that we were here, right? That flat lineness from this hidden divergence. Sideways motion. We try to gain a little bit, not strong enough. And sideways. Neutral at 56.93. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Jason, hello, first time. Well, hi.
What's up?
Baseball. Huh? Yeah, actually, likes are more preferred than subs. Because a person can only sub once, but they can like plenty of times. And the algorithm goes a little bit heavier onto the likes than than the number of subs that you have. That's why a lot of people put emphasis on likes and people hitting the like button and things like that. So yes, likes are important. The likes are important. Very much so, sir. There we go. We got another like. Thank you very much for that. High to low, low to high, hidden divergence, action downside, moving down that. Still within a larger triangle for Cardano. Yes, we have not broken it, so that means yeah, we're at the bottom. We're gonna try to bounce. Let's see if we get it. We're very deep into the pattern. Most of the patterns break 50 to 75% of the way, so We're really mature into the pattern. We could be breaking any time, right? Neutral at 45.72 on the 1 hour again. That's it. Bullish divergence strong. Action to the upside potentially. Let's see what's gonna happen with ADA, man. Let's go to the REN. What? Let's go to REN. Andrew, the girth. We already did it. I'll recap it, bro. All right, let me get to the recaps, and I'll recap Bitcoin and the girth. Anyways, what do we have here on? What are we going to move to? REN. 189. Let's get on that daily, man. Let's get on the daily. Thanks, dude. Hello. Neutral at 58.64. There's a Patreon just for support right now. There's gonna be Patreon for other stuff later on, but yeah. And there's YouTube memberships active, so but they give you the Seamus emotes, right? I'm not pushing them that hard. I mean, if you guys like it, you guys can hit subscribe, right? So awesome. Bitcoin, please. Sure, man. We already did it, so wait for a recap in a little bit. I'll recap it, man, right? Yeah, there will be their not affiliate links right now. Only the crypto coin display, because they hooked me up with that sweet free display that was up there at the beginning of the stream, or up there at the beginning of the stream. And now it's at the bottom of the stream, so yeah. That little thing that goes right now says reserve rights token, and tells you the price. It's awesome. You shouldn't push your Seamus emotes. Oh. Well, Seamus. That's all I have to say. Kidwino says Bitcoin to Narnia. Kidding. Naira. Right. What is this, Naira? Save. There we go. Oh, someone discovered the bullish Seamus. That is a new one that came in. It tells me I need 4 new members, I think, so I can add another one, and that'll be bearish Seamus. Hello. Nothing here on REN. On the daily, the 4-hour REN. Some strong bearish divergence being built here. Cody, sure. That is it. Action to downside to move down. Failed to get higher and the Brits high on the bounce. Bearish divergence still. Our continuation. Moving down to that 20. Trying to bounce a little bit. Low, high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing here happening after that divergence that we had. Strong bearish. Right now, neutral 6.49. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Joe Gross is bullish Seamus. It's a poop. You don't like bullish Seamus? Uh, 01068 010506. Right. We can say sideways motion here. It'll still work. It'll just not be the divergence that I'm looking for, right? I'm just gonna go say it's going sideways and say, look, we're coming lower. We're creating some weak bullish divergence. Section of the opposite, we're going up, hitting that 20 and facing some resistance right now. Oh, you like it very much? All right. Yeah, because you put the little poop next to it, so I'm not sure. Oh, I get it, bullshit. I get it. I get what you're trying to say. You were trying to say bullshit. Neutral at 52.05. That's it for Brand. Again, a lot of these coins are not creating anything. This is creating a sort of double top. We can say we tried to break the neckline, but found resistance and broke back above it. So I'm not really confident on this double top coming into play right now. Oh, I didn't make the chicken way emoji, man. Not sure. I don't think I got a chicken way emoji. I should have gotten one, I think. I didn't. I'll show this real quick. These are the emojis that we're gonna have. Laughing Seamus, that's been released. Thumbs up Seamus, that's been released. Crying Seamus has been released. Down thumb Seamus released. Drunk Seamus. Bitcoin holding Seamus. Bull Seamus. Now we have Bear Seamus, Hype Seamus, and Deadpool Seamus. And we're also going to have this one's released also. So let me see if I can go here to the side. That's not it. That's it. That's not it. It's this one, I guess. Open it. There we go. This one says the third crypto Seamus, legendary Seamus, and Scout Money don't make money, man. Those are the Seamus that are going to be released, man. That's going to be really cool. I'm not sure how many members we need for each tier. Right now it says 4 for the next one. So if we get 4 members, we're going to be able to create more Seamuses. Justin, what's up? Good evening. Jose, thanks for being here. Yeah, I think that's it. Anyways, let's keep rolling again. Potential level top. I'm gonna wait. I don't think we're there yet. Confirmation line will be there. I'm gonna wait, man. Let's come to Ren. Let's come to Ren again later. Maybe tomorrow. See where we're at. I'm doubting this double top might play. Let's go to KNC. Heading bullish. Pumping high to low, high to low, high to low. Neutral at 54.74. Not a lot here, man. Let's go to the 4 hour. G-Ward, thanks. Okay, buddy. Well, thank you, man. After, dude, why am I looking at? I skipped over Uni. Snaps. I'll go back to the Uni right after Kyber, and then after that, we'll do, Bitcoin and GRT, I guess. High to low, high to low, high to low. Low. Low to high. Negative. Negative, more negative. All right, that works. Finally, something that works. Justin, thank you very much for that. I appreciate it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is.
Thank you very much.
We just did CHR, dude. I'm gonna do it in a recap for you, right? Just give me a second. A lot of people into CHR for some reason today. Oh, will it pump? Does he have news? Are they gonna get listers? OBS disconnect me, so I hope you can see me now. Yeah, there we go. It's loaded again. For some reason, the OBS dropped me for a second, man. It dropped frames? It didn't drop frames. It just disconnected, reconnected. That is very weird. We back, man. Right on. Hidden bullish, trying to hold. If we hold, again, we could be looking for action to the upside. Let's go for Kyver. We can't see. Again, I'm not seeing any cool patterns that we could look for, right? Like cup and handles, head and shoulders, rising valleys, pipes. You know, not funny on scallops either. Like, you know, I'm not funny. A lot of stuff here. So let's go to Uni. I wish it was more exciting, guys. I mean, sometimes the market doesn't have anything. That's part of trading, right? You have to be here through the boring days looking at assets, so you're there when the exciting stuff happens. That's how trading is, man, right? You get action some days. A lot of the times, like, you know, if you would have had your entry level potential pattern, would have gotten that very nice play, but after that, you know, you're just like in limbo for a bit, right? It's like, oh, there's nothing developing, there's nothing developing, there's nothing developing. Just gotta put up with that, right? That's part of trading. If you're not here during this boring times, you're not gonna be here in time for the exciting times, right? It happens to everyone. Everyone's like, oh, why is it pumping? Why is it going up? Well, you're here every day. You know why it's pumping. You know what's going to go up. You know prior to that maybe what even targets you're gonna hit, and you're more prepared. But a lot of people they come in during the bull times. They come in during extremely bearish times just to see what is happening, why is it dropping, and then they're already getting wrecked when they could have been here and gotten information, right? $69, I like. Noise, I like. High five. Head bullish. I was looking for that. From here to here. From here to here. It's slight, but it's there. I've seen it. And then from here also. Head bullish. Action to the upside. Moving up in that. Bearish divergence against the RSI. Strong bearish divergence. Action down. So it started to move down. Hitting resistance. Hitting support at the 3618. We can change our fibs here. Nope, not yet. So we're targeting things to the upside. So we could get new fibs though, right? We change this to here and say, oh, this is so high now, and this is a new low, and we are hitting the 618. And we're rejecting slightly. Actually went to 100% again on a wick, and we're floating in that area, which looks a little bit better, I guess. That's it, dude. Neutral at... Sorry, bought at 61.88. Let's go to the 4 hour. Higher, high to low, high to low. Some strong bearish divergence here on the 4 hour chart. With that action downside, we're moving down. We're moving down. High to low, high to low, high to low. Low to high, negative, more negative. Low, lower, right? Some hidden bullish here, man. Bullish might try to get some stagnation happening. That stagnation or potential reversal, right? Let's see, man. Let's see what we're gonna be doing with this. Neutral 44.01. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Oh, this looks like we're double topping here. Closed at 34.78.46, 34.77.24, slightly lower. It just looks like sideways motion, right? I'm gonna give this sideways motion call here. Again, double top, it works. We're fractions of a cent off. Dude, high to low. High to low, strong bearish divergence, right? Not strong, sorry, medium bearish divergence. That's it. It's gonna go there. And again, with that, we're getting action to downside, and that is already playing out. As we're coming lower, we're making less of that momentum of negativity, right? Less of that negative momentum. And with that, we're gonna get some action to the upside, potentially strong bullish divergence. We have it against MACD, and we don't quite have it against RSI. But again, potential fraction to the upside. So we could be waiting for at least a hit of that 20, sitting at $31.31. Maybe we can get a retest of that 1618 at $33.13. That would be the move again. Bitcoin allowing, right? You gotta say that. If Bitcoin doesn't allow, it's gonna get wrecked. Alice Coin. So you mean McDonald's? You get paid in yeah, McDonald's coin or whatever the burger coin she talks about. Hello. Sold. 37.20. That's it for Uni. Trying to find something here. 1, 2, 3 falling peaks. That's the imply action to the upside. I mean, it's already playing, but any short would have at least targeted that 618 at 1618 and the 2618. 3618 on a move down. On a tree potential 1, 2, 3 falling peaks, right? 1, 2, 3. That's the inverse of a 3 rising valley, by the way. That's the only thing I can find with this. It might be bearish, but that bullish divergence could put a damper in it and try to recover. So that is it, right? That is it for this, man. No, what is all this talk about Bitcoin going to $1 trillion, dude? Everyone's like panicking about that. Anyway, CHR for a recap, because we got an awesome donation for it. So CHR. The CHR coin. 35.70 again, bearish divergence, right? Ooh, let's go here on the daily. It's just going insanely high. Oh my god, it's above everything, above that 4618 again. I'm not sure why this is pumping so hard again. You can get wrecked at this levels. No pullback happening yet. Bound to have some overbought 92.81. Nothing bearish. 4 hour. Bearish divergence strong against the RSI. Could move down on that again. We'll see, right? Still, this is extremely bullish, so. 1 hour chart, bearish divergence. Potential for action to downside. We just don't have it on the daily, but again, the project's doing extremely bullish moves, so if you get at this level, if you get at these levels, you're buying high risk. Right? The chance of it going up, it's already eaten up all the fib notes. Can it go higher? Yeah, but the chance of it coming back down for some pullback are, I think, bigger right now, or much larger than it kept going up. So 1 second, guys. Sneezed. There we go, man. It's all good. Someone said the band. Sure, man. Oh, by the way, this is a picture of me playing with that coin display and how blurry it looked on the background. Look at that. It's just very, very blurry. You can't even read anything. So that's why I said no. I'll put it there where it is. Thank you, Joe. Appreciate it. CHR again, extremely high. It's bearish, right? Bearish divergence a little bit. David, thank you very much for the kind donation.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is.
Thank you very much.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man. Let's go to the GRT, man. The graph. Again, consolidating into triangles, so nothing really on the bullish or the bearishness. Just consolidation, right? Waiting for it to break. Again, very deep into the pattern. Mason Crawford, thanks for being here. Again, bearish divergence in the 4 hour, moving down on that again. That triangle being formed here. Gotta wait for it to break, right? Not doing anything within that triangle. So neutral at 53.83. Triangles are neutral, they can break it away. And then on the daily, we're still very expanded. Nothing bearish. It's all good for the graph. Let's go to Bitcoin again. Any NFT coins I'm looking at? No. I minted some NFT stuff if you want that, but no NFT coins. Little BTC. any NFT coins that I have my own. Not at the moment, man. I'm not doing a lot of NFTs, man. I minted some of NFTs just to play around with it. It was fun. That's that, right? As far as my involvement goes with NFTs, again, yesterday still going bullish with some indecision. Today, showing some of that indecision as well, right? Opening up, making a spinning top right now. 55,770, still doing good. Support at 55,406, man. Let's go to Nara now. Sorry, I want to see the 1 hour Bitcoin. Yeah, still holding on support. Let's go to Nara. I'm not finding it here, man. I think it was Naira, right? I might have typed it wrong. Naira, that's the one. That's why I wasn't finding it. Here it is. Bitcoin to Naira. Okay. Jake says the enemy NFT things. Awesome. Jake with the NFT things. Oh, cool. Jake posts his NFTs. Jake's with NFTs. Ooh, Jake's NFTs with the whale, the space whale for Ethereum. The golden ones for Bitcoin. So 3,000 by 3,000 pixel. I'm too great about Bitcoin Jake. Now up production. On March 17th. Awesome, dude. Bid starting at 0.01 Ethereum. Awesome, dude.
Hi, Martin. I'm looking to open a new low lev. Long pause. At 35x lev with entry at 55,627, based on technique. Thought on entry price? Targets? Opinion only.
Yeah. Sure. You want a quick second, David. I'm refining Bitcoin to Naira, right? NGN maybe. Here we go. Give me one quick second, bro. I will check it out. I'm looking to open a new low. I gotta look at the Bitcoin chart. Give me 1 second, dude. I'll check out for you that. Just let me do this one real quick. This also came earlier. And I'll tell you about your long they want to open. On the daily. Jesus, it's worth a lot. 28,026,233 Naira. Interesting. Right on, dude. Again, dude, there's some bearish divergence here. Going slightly higher. Stuff that we're seeing on US Bitcoin as well, right? Strong bearish divergence, actually downside. Not seeing the same patterns, but seeing very similar formations to Bitcoin, right? Low, high, low, right? Again, behaving very similar. Rolling that, same move, very similar moves. But here it did go above its previous all-time high, and it's probably an account on the exchange rate of Naira to the dollar, right? Probably losing value. Low, high, negative, less negative. Again, some strong bearish divergence here for potential action to downside also. Not sure why you wanted to look at this, but hey, if you want to believe Bitcoin's gonna be worth a lot, go check out this one, right? 28 million. Nairas for Bitcoin. Does certainly put things into perspective, right? I mean, I could go with this one, I guess. Medium. Sideways motion there, and then coming down lower here on the MACD and the RSI, right? With that, we have that medium bearish divergence, section of downside going down, hitting that 20. Trying to find support, but not really dropping a lot, dude. Not sure what to make of this. Why you want to look at this, but it's okay right now. Bernardo, what's up, dude? Let me go back to the corn, man. I mean, Bitcoin right now has some bearish divergence, right? Strong bearish divergence for potential action downside. It does have a support line that it has not broken yet. If it managed to hold on to that support line, it could get another small pump coming in. I'm not sure about longing though. I'm who was it? That one, David. I don't long that much, but 3 to 5 times leverage doesn't seem to be that eccentric, so it should be okay. 55,627, right? Again, there's things that are worrying me about Bitcoin that are not there yet, but could happen. But we already have patterns. Correction to the upside, right? We have a double bottom, we have a complex head and shoulders, and we also have a measurement that we had a hit. All those put Bitcoin above 60,000. Right? So on that point, I'm bullish. But look at this, man. There's a risk right now that Bitcoin fails to get higher than the previous high. Goes down a bit, and we could be in to start making a double top here, right? And that's the only thing that's holding me back right now. I mean, we do have a lot of bullishness. But this double top could potentially be the catalyst for a movement down. Particularly if we break confirmation line here at 45,000. Could be looking for a sizable drop, about 15%. And that 15% drop would get us to 38,000, 40,000 again. So that could be a move for Bitcoin if we confirm breaking this area here. So I think that when you should have opened your long should have been here, right? Upon this break confirmation and that retest, right? That happened on the 8th at 2 in the morning. We're probably live somewhere around here. Talking about the pattern breaking it. You could have gotten in here on the 6th up on breaking that confirmation line, and you would have been better off, or even here getting at this cross of the MACD and the signal line under the zero line. But right now, you're about to buy in or go long at a potential cross of the MACD under the RSI. Again, potential because it hasn't happened yet, right? And we do know that sometimes they do get close here and they flirt a little bit and then expand again. Sometimes they just pretend they're going to touch and then expand again like they did here. Right? So on that note, I do believe you're getting it at an area of risk right now. And not so much that longing wouldn't be bad. I'll just say I have a tight stop loss just in case, because this one, if we get that cross, it would make negative momentum. And the price could start to go down, right? We'll see how this behaves, man. I'm hoping that we're going to find some support and bounce. That is it for Bitcoin, man. Again, I hope that answers your question. Let's see. Sure, double fee. A lot of CME futures contracts expiring soon. Yeah, interesting. Let's keep moving. Update the list first. Update the list. What's wrong, dude? If you like what we do, hit like the button, stuff, right? Join us on Discord. Links in the description. Neutral at 63 point. Sorry, bought at 60.47. That's a bit right there. Cuddy up next. Yo, no worries, David. That's what we're here for. I mean, he does have a lot of bullishness, right? If you're in the Discord, you probably saw me typing about that today, because I did type about that today. So. Where is that? Discord today, right? There we go. At 11, I updated action potential hits, right? 61,850. The bottom targeting 65,000. I think it's 333. I just missed the digit there. And then the pattern that's at play, and then here also the pattern that's at play in the complex head and shoulders, with a target at primary target at 60,400, and then a real target actually higher still, around 73,000. So again, it does have a lot of bullishness. Just hoping we don't make a double top there. That might bring us down. Oh, bring facts. Interesting. You're gonna have to tell me how I did that, man. It's interesting that it still goes through the tape. Interesting. Interesting, man. Wrong, dude. Cody. 40.76. Let's move through that. Let's get on the freaking daily. We didn't have anything. Again, flagging. Great. Neutral. Sorry, not neutral. Overbought at 78.08. Well, let's go to the 4-hour chart. Hidden bullish. Again, hidden bullish still here on this last bump, so we can extend that to there. That will be extended to there. It's all good. We don't have it against our side. Neutral at 57.31. So nothing bearish, hidden bullish. We're gonna try to probably bounce in that, which we're getting right now. But hitting that 20, let's see if we can get above that area right now. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we had the bullish divergence. We're moving up on that. That is great. So yesterday we looked at this and we had this. Awesome. We pumped. Now it's going back down. We have some hidden bullish, hidden bearish, sorry. Yes, the hidden bearish divergence. Yeah. It is the hidden bearish divergence. Actually, downside. Moving down on that. Actually, what?
Thanks for another great stream. Did you already cover Link?
I haven't. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is so awesome, dude. So cool, man. Ah, interesting. Yeah, I'll check out ideas for that, right? I'll check out ideas for that. I'll see how it looks on paper first. Cool. Well, let's keep moving, Cody. Cody. Neutral at 40.90. That's it, dude. That is it for this. Let's go to link. For the Punisher. Says, do link, or I'll punish people. So, don't be killing people, Frank. Castle. Gonna be doing this link for you, man. No worries, no worries. Link, hidden bullish, pumping that, great. Nothing bearish, neutral at 51.84. Right now below that 786, but above that 20, used it as support. So, hidden bullish should still come into play. It could be the start of a large consolidation pattern, maybe a triangle, right? High, low, right? So high, lower high, and then we could go low, higher low, or somewhere around here, higher low, and start consolidating into a triangle. So we don't have a clear pattern yet for Link. That's the sad part. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour bearish divergence, action to the downside, that came into play. You know, we're looking for this potential triple bottom here to play, which is not gonna trigger right now, which is fine. Already just said that yesterday, just failed to play. Low high. Negative, less negative, and low to high also. Neutral at 45.71. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour. Hidden bullish. Right. Now, do we have strong bullish now? I think so. Yep, strong bullish. It is doing some of the strong bullish divergence. Ha ha ha. It's just against the MACD, not against the RSI. That we should be getting that action to the upside. I would be expecting a break above that 786 and maybe a retest of that 20 at $30.06 right now, sitting at $29.25. It's not really losing a lot, but it's not pumping a lot, right? It's consolidating, right? It's still on the daily consolidation, right? Still consolidating here a little bit, so gotta wait for it to finish. See if it wants to move. I mean, dude, guys, I really wish I could tell you more things, but we don't have anything yet. We could be looking here at a potential 3 rising valleys, 1 valley here, 2 valleys here. This one still would need to start going up right now for us to maybe consider this to be the 3rd valley. Right in the 4 hour, it's a little bit clearer. So this would be 1, 2, and this could be the start of 3rd valley. This could be an A3 valley, very micro 3rd valley. That would be just really quick targets to the upside. I think we hit them all, dude, right? Spot on almost, right? Again, high to low here for a quick 1, 2, 3 rising valley. Hit targets. All 4 targets would have been hit. Not a big play, but let's see, would have gotten in here at confirmation. That quick move to the upside would have been at least an 11% gain. So it's about 10% gain. It's fine, but the risk, I wasn't liking it. So I'd rather consider this 1, 2, ignore this little chop here, and then this be the 3rd high, and make it the 3rd valley here for potential action to the upside. At least on the daily, it would look like that. So 1, 2, and then the 3rd one forming here. But again, not really a lot happening besides that. Let's go to band. A lot of projects had 3 rising valleys formations. The band. Yeah, I mean, it hasn't really started climbing yet. Really waiting for it to do something, right? Yeah, it could start making that new peak, but really gotta wait for it to form. Nothing here that is bullish, some hidden. Sorry, nothing that is bearish, some hidden bullish. That's the only thing we have. A little lower still. Hello, neutral at 51.35. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Hello. Again, some strong bearish divergence, action to the downside. Moving down slightly right now. I don't think we have anything bullish here. Hidden bullish, maybe? Yeah, hidden bullish. Why not? It's starting to build it. Should acknowledge it for what it is. It is there. That's some potential action to the upside, right? Good, 95 people watching. Thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on Discord. We usually have a lot more people there. Maybe we're getting shadow banned for using 8 on the title. I'm not sure. Just roll 49.14. That's it for band. So, let's go to OXT, man. Sorry, the 1 hour chart. Again, we had bearish divergence where we have checked this yesterday, or yeah, I think yesterday we would have noticed there was action, potential for action to downside, right? What was this? Could have even looked at this on the 8th, 2 days ago. Would have known that possibility, right? And on the whole, action to downside. Hidden bullish happening. Right, have that hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, maybe sideways motion. We did try to pump, and I do believe we hit a resistance. That 20 went down, low, high. It doesn't like it have been low to high, so looking good right now. Again, that is it. Some strong bullish, I guess we can call this one right now. Yeah, medium or strong, depending on whether or not you want to consider this to be sideways motion, but still bullish. Actually, the upside hitting that 20, rejecting a little bit. That is it, dude. Really, not a lot. On band. Let's go to OXT, man. We could try to rally on that, but we're facing rejection at the 20. I think we're failing to break above our support line, which would be like this, right? This will be our resistance line, sorry. We're hitting it once, twice, and then we're hitting it and rejecting it. We can get a break above that line if we're going to go in a bull trend. Short-term bull trend. Let's go to OXT, man. COXT, where is it at, dude? OXT to dollar, 64.26. Great. Let's go on daily, man. High to low, high to low, high to low. There's divergence. Hidden. First thing I'm noticing is there. It just could imply that we're going to get actual downside, maybe sideways motion. It's really broad, right? Again, I usually don't like hidden divergence. Sometimes it's finicky. All right. You can still keep on pumping more, and we'll still have it. But you know, right now it's there. Bought at 67.13. Last time we had was a hidden bullish, rallying on that. Today pumping a lot, 23.28%. So not doing too bad, man. We're looking for bearish divergence. Obviously, he's not playing anymore, so that's fine. Pumped, that's fine. On this last bet, right? Look high to a higher high. We're hitting that 786 and rejecting, but we're coming up higher here on this 4-hour chart. Then coming from high to low. Overbought at 72.67. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, high, higher, high, higher, and then high to low. What's something coming through?
Best wishes from Frankfurt. Love your stream. Or rather long or short if you would have to do a trade now?
This was from Frankfurt. Let me stream you. They're long or short if you would have to trade now. Oh, first of all, dude, thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Liker. Thank you for being here, man. Would I rather short or long? Long or short? Oh, man. Assuming you're talking about Bitcoin, I usually don't like shorting. I just like buying the asset, which when you hold an asset with a long-term outlook that the price is going to go up, you're basically longing, you're just not using leverage, right? Because you're going long in the asset. I would rather go long right now, I think. Unless we develop a double top, then I would probably be exiting the long and opening a short. Right? That's what I'm looking at. There's a lot of things that go to the upside on Bitcoin. I'll be looking to long it, buying more Bitcoin. But there's a potential double top that could be starting to form. We don't have it yet. Could be starting to form, and it could be something that could damper Bitcoin's pump right now. So something you should keep in mind. Anyways, bearish divergence, action and downside, potentially on XT. Went down for a candle, trying to climb back up to right now. Neutral, sorry, overbought at 72.26. That is it, dude. Let's go to the Bitcoin regular price, 55,437. It's about to break that support line, right? You could put in a short-term bear trend right now. You gotta wait, man. Breaking and closing below 55,406 could put Bitcoin on a low or a short downtrend, which could, again, there's not a lot of support here. We might have manufactured something. Really have to zoom out a little bit more. I see what you did there, Frank. And this is double top I'm talking about. One top here on the daily. It's better, but what I'm trying to do right now, it's fine if we break where we could go for support. I think there's not a lot of areas here, right? Something here and then something down here. So I'm gonna do something real quick. I'm gonna place these lines. I know they're gonna be green. They're not the white lines that I use. So let them go like that. And I'll go way over here. There's nothing here. It's pretty much a straight shot and then a straight shot down, right? And that bounce that failed to hit, that gives us that target. But now I want to go to where we're at right now and see if we've had other hits at those levels, which here we didn't on this one, right? We don't have any hits here. And we don't have any hits here either. So not a lot of support and resistance between this area, right? Short term, I mean, even here we don't have continuous hits of support and resistance. Here, nothing like that. Maybe, yeah, I think this top here, right? This top here, Bitcoin, this one here matches with this bottoms here. So it could be some support around 54,700. But again, that's very close to a support of 55,400. So I don't want to fill this with supports, but that's where we could find some support. Have I done GRT again? Yeah, I already recapped it again, Andrew. I'll just recap it right now because I'm doing Bitcoin, so. I'll tell you that in a second, dude. On the daily, Brandon. One top here. Another top starting to form here, right? That's what I'm looking for Bitcoin right now. That's what worries me a little bit in the short term, but nothing too crazy, I guess. All right, if you want, I can do it, man. You know, just saying. Check out Crow. Crow hitting all of her targets. Great. Remember I wrote a play for Crow. Hit all the targets. Awesome. Posted it like 2 days ago, I think. And in 2 days, 10% return. Not too bad. Great stuff, right? Great stuff. Again, Crow, not a lot happened. Let's hide the Bollinger Bands. It makes it look weird. Again, these fibs are from the 4 hour. So ignore them for now. High to low, high to low, high to low. Bought at 64.70 4 hour chart. And this is a move, right? High to low here. 183 rising valley. Targets hit. 1, 2, 3, 4 targets hit. Great. Even yesterday we hit our 4th target, but you know, today we wicked it again, and that was pretty good. So Crow, you would have gotten about a 10% return from entry. Sorry, that's if you would have entered here. We actually called for entry here, so that would have been a sorry, you want to do that one like that. Gonna shift this down a bit. There we go. 10.4% return, and here, call it here. So on the 8th, so like, yeah, less than 48 hours, not too bad. Escalera, no. Higher, positive, high, low. Bear separates here, right? Low, high, native, low, native, low to high, neutral, FP 3.92. That's it, dude. Craig, thank you for being here, man. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I'm going to call it an early stream for tonight. We've been live for about an hour and 48 minutes. Sorry about being late. Again, I was setting up that ticker that's running on the bottom of the screen. Again, if you want one of those, go check it out. It's at cryptocoindisplay.com. Use the State of Crypto, not the State of Crypto, just State of Crypto for a 10% discount there. They are really, really sweet tickers. The guy's Crypto Fam. You'll be helping someone that makes them. He prints them, so it takes him a while to print them. Each one of them is printed individually. That is pretty cool. There's plenty of flavors, right? You got this 10-inch one. The one I got is a 20-inch, so it's this one. Then you have this small one, which is the Bitcoin one with some RBG LED within the Bitcoin B. You have this one for Chainlink also. Have this small one for the desk. For me, I mean, he's also printing this and putting the display, so that's pretty good. But for me, I rather have the bar running through with 10 coins. And rather look at that. And there's also this mini one here. But this one for stocks. So if you like stocks or commodities, this one's also pretty tight. And you can choose colors, so it's highly customizable. I actually got mine in gold. You cannot see the color right now. It's gold with red, but if you cannot see the color, unfortunately. So there's black with red LED, white with red LED. There's some blue LEDs. Not sure why he doesn't use green LEDs yet. That'll be awesome if you get this like combined red and green. So when an asset's, I mean, right now you get an arrow saying up or down. But it'd be really cool if when the asset's rolling through, if it's green, then get rid of the arrow and just put it in green. And if it's losing value, just put it in red. That'll make it a lot easier. Website's going through right now, cryptodisplay.com, cryptocoindisplay.com. Again, go check it out. The guy is pretty cool. Explain the markets, makers and takers. Yeah, makers and takers, dude. Those are the fees the exchange charges you. Makers, well, the name says it. They make the market. They put orders in the books, up or down, right? When you're buying or selling, you just don't buy at market price. And taker, they basically put liquidity into the market. And takers are, well, what the name says, they take liquidity from the market, right? So if you go buy spot at market price, you're a taker. You're taking liquidity from the market. You're gonna get a taker fee, which is usually higher than your maker fee. You get a benefit for going in and making some of that market, right? So that's how makers and takers work for fees. I hope that explains it. Senor Snakes. Never look at Dago, man. Am I sure it's red? I know I'm colorblind, but it's red, dude. There's only two colors, red and blue. And I can see gold. Right. I have problems seeing some shades of red and orange, purple and blues, and some pink and some greens. Weird, but that's how it works, right? Feliz miércoles. Thank you, Scott, for being here, man.
What's up?
Bitcoin looking bearish. Not sure, man. Not sure yet. Is Bitcoin looking bearish? Is it bearish, man? Let's go back to the corn to check it. Sorry, guys. Screen. We'll finish with the cronut. Let's go to the corn. Not yet. We still have not broken that line right there, right? That line is key for the corn. We really want Bitcoin to be above this line. Being above that line is good for Bitcoin. So, it's still holding a support. Still doing good. Just waiting for it to do something. Low, negative, less negative. Low, high, and then low, high. Nothing bullish right now. Am I red-green colorblind? I think it's called mild Dutin or something. Yeah, I'm like red-green colorblind. So when I guess getting the context, which still haven't arrived, the guy who did the test said, "Yo, I want to put this filter on." So I told him I'm colorblind. He says, like, where this looks better, on the red or the green? And I'm like, dude, I'm colorblind. I can still see that it's green and red. I can tell you where it looks darker, but I'm not sure if that's the way it's supposed to look. So he put a red filter. He made me do the exercises for color blindness. Then he put this red lens on front of those, those glasses where they're testing you. And he made me do the test again, and then I could see everything. He's like, well, we can put a red filter in front of your glasses. Your world will just look red all the time. I'm like, screw that, man. I'd rather go with the color blindness. Amay, thank you very much for being here. You think KuCoin's a good exchange? I'm not sure, man. I don't use KuCoin. You're saying 4 out of 10 men are colorblind. Interesting. I wonder how many women are colorblind. I don't think many women are colorblind because they can see a lot of colors. It's like not white. It's like oyster white or ice cool white. To me, it just looks white, Corrective glasses do more bad than good for color vision. All gimmicky. Yeah, I guess. I really don't want to get a red filter in front of my glasses and have my world look red. So everything is in blood. They're supposed to be these glasses. Not sure how good they are, but they're calling chroma, and they're not supposed to screw your vision or make it look as bad. So I was looking at them, but damn, dude, I don't want to get glasses like this right now. I guess you put them on and then you go out. There's for indoors and outdoors. So I guess this is indoors, right? So they do have some kind of filter, but it's not a very strong filter. And they said it's supposed to work. You having chromas, they suck. Interesting. I want to buy them. I was like, no. Yeah. Interesting. 5 more likes. Awesome. Let's get 5 more likes. You can do it. Best my Support one hold. Yeah. Looks like it, right? Did we break it on the half hour or before that? All right, we're starting to create some strong bullish divergence here on the half hour. From there to there. Right here. I mean, I usually don't like going to the half hour or less than the 1 hour, actually. Just weird. Same filter. Interesting there. Yeah, looking at Bitcoin. Makes the colors we lack pop, but makes it everything reddish. Interesting. Yeah, that's what the guy was telling me. He was wanting to put a filter, a red filter, and I was like, no, thank you, man. Yeah, I already know what colors I can't see. I'm good with that. Yeah, and let's see if we can hold on to this bullish divergence, pop up a little bit. Here, the support line looks different, right? We're going like this. And again, we're just breaking down this half hour candle. This bullish divergence could try to reverse that. Again, if you're charting with the wicks, you would say, what? There's no bullish divergence against the wicks. There's only hidden bullish. That'll be fine. Depends on how you want to hold, how you want to do this. So I'm going to go with the bodies. I'm going to say there's strong bullish, potential fraction upside. That's it. We broke so far above the EMA. Just something fun. Yeah. It sucks though, because sometimes my kid's doing the homework and he needs to color something in a color and actually have to read what color it is. Make sure I'm giving him the right color. It's fun to go. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Can you pair of glasses with the blue filter? Even the blue light filter? I was gonna get some like that, but they do reflect a lot of the lights. So, for example, the monitors and the lights that I use for illumination, if here they look a little bit matted every now and then, it's because they just have the anti-reflectant or whatever. But if I had the blue light filter, it would be like shining back onto the camera very much, and it would make it look really bad. So I cannot do those when I'm streaming. So contacts don't have them, that's fine, but other than that, it's good. more likes. One more like. One more like and we hit 100. Oh, we hit 100, yeah. Someone hasn't liked. Go like this stream. We're at 100. Yay. There it is, man. Yeah. Jeff needs to be out for the market opening. Yeah. Let's check this real quick. Let's go GME, right? That's what everyone's talking about. Daily GME. How did aftermarket go? Oh. A little bit up, a little bit down. All good. Is AMC still doing things? AMC, nope, I'm just losing some, but also aftermarket pump. So, interesting. It started to climb also with GME, which is okay, I guess. Cop and handle, really not playing to the upside, right? And this is a really good looking cop, by the way. I know it makes it hard to look with all this colors in the background, so I'm gonna try to make it to where you see them a little bit less, I guess, pre-post market. So make this a little bit on the pre-market and that on the post market, and it should look better on the screens. So this is a cup I'm looking at. This will be the handle. You want to have the lips to be more or less equal length. It's very hard to get them to be equal length all the time. But this would have been the handle. We're not really getting the move that we should be getting. But again, we know the market has been manipulated, so more likely that it will not play out. Set in Japan, link more special blue light to more towards vision. Interesting. Roblox, sure, we can look at that. Let's check the row blocks. On the daily, look at that. It has a really weird looking red day. Actually went up, but it's red. 4 hour, up and then down. 1 hour, up and then down. Let's go to the 30 minute. Oh Jesus, are we gonna have anything? Let's go to the 5 minute. When I looked at this, we're in the 5 minute. I said bearish divergence on the stream because we had this move here. We're going higher. We're losing this volume. Right? That's the only thing I could go on because we didn't have anything else to chart. Still don't have a lot to chart. Lower. Yeah, that's it, dude. Nothing else besides that divergence. Let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. Again, it's very, very new. It's not a lot of information out there. Sold IPO at 45. That is it. Guys, this is going to be it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Again, this is the Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here today. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button, the sub. Join us on Discord. Links in the description. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. What else? All the information that we provide here is for education and entertainment purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're not financial advisors. Gotta say that. And then, if you like what we do, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. So smash it, make sure you caress it, whatever you want to do with it. And that note, that's going to be it for tonight. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Crypto. Until then.